Hello, I'm going to show you how to convert Ggives to Gcash wallet without GPO. So Ggives is a feature within the Gcash app that allows eligible users to purchase items and pay for them in installments. It is designed for direct purchases from partner merchants and doesn't support direct conversion of Ggives credit into Gcash wallet funds. While there are numerous online tutorials and videos claiming to demonstrate methods to convert Ggives to Gcash wallet without using GPO, it's essential to approach such content with caution. Engaging in unofficial methods or workarounds may violate Gcash's terms of service and could lead to account suspension or other penalties. Official recommendation: to ensure the security of your account and compliance with Gcash policies, it's advisable to use Ggives strictly for its intended purpose. Purchasing products or services from accredited merchants. If you require funds in your Gcash wallet, consider other legitimate methods such as bank transfers, cash-ins through partner outlets, or receiving money from other Gcash users. So in conclusion, currently there is no official or endorsed method to convert Ggives credit into Gcash wallet funds without using GPO. For accurate and up-to-date information, refer to Gcash's official channels or contact their customer support.